Okay, hello there YouTube. Today is the first snow day here in Illinois, and we're gonna test out this Hellcat to see how it does in the snow. I put on the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4 tires in this, and according to the reviews I've seen on YouTube, it has a pretty good traction in snow. So right now it's still snowing. Let me flip this video to show you how deep the snow is. See, we probably have about 3 inches of snow. So this is the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4. Okay, it's not a snow tire, but it is an all-season tire, and we got about 3 inches of snow right now, and it's fresh snow. It's a little bit wet. We'll see how it performs in this condition. I'm just gonna drive around the neighborhood because this neighborhood doesn't get plowed at all. So hopefully I don't get stuck. We'll test some stop and go and hill climb to really see how this thing goes. Alright, stick with me here. Okay, dash cam is running front and rear. Goes to this garage. 3 inches of snow, hasn't been plowed. I'm running on normal mode. Let's see if this goes anywhere. I think I'm already stuck. Gonna suck if I get stuck. I'm just gonna take it slow. So far I don't feel any slippage. Brake, no slippage. It's a little bit challenge on getting going. Like my snow tires would just grip and go, but this is pretty deep snow. I'm quite concerned actually driving around in this situation. I'm on normal mode, full traction. It's going. Once it gets going, it's going. But no slipping and sliding so far. Full stop. Let's get going. There you go. Okay. I'm gonna have to back up a little to get it going. Once it stops. The neighbors are probably thinking this guy is crazy driving his 717 horsepower car in deep snow. But as long as you keep a steady throttle and don't stop, doing well. If I probably use the Pirellis on this road right now, if you can see in the video, has probably a 25% incline, and we're going, and speed is about 20 miles per hour. So you can get to places. It's not the most ideal scenario for these tires. Now we're probably 30% grade. But you know, just in case you are out and about and you get caught in snow, you can still get home. You can still get home. That's just the point of this video. Oh, I see a car. I see a four-wheeler driving around. So we're backing up into the driveway. I don't want to push my luck. But if the question is, can you drive a Hellcat in the snow? The answer is yes. Yes, you can. As long as you have the proper tires and you drive sensibly. Alright? Now I'm stuck. Okay. So let me concentrate on getting back in my driveway.